Hello and welcome to another update video about Ethereum. Yeah, Ethereum is coming down into the support area. That was not too much of a surprise that we were coming back into the support area. It was highlighted as a possibility. Always try to highlight the possibilities to you that you are not caught out. I just now actually entered another long position when we touched the channel down there. See how it goes. I took profits today at around 1720. 1718 or something. Made the channel members aware, of course, extremely happy. Just rebought down here. Seems to have picked a local low, but it's too early to confirm. Maybe it will still break down. It can do. Then I will probably try another attempt to buy down there. And if it fails, then probably the entire move up has failed. But yeah, you know, it is always, I know, it always looks a bit scary when it all comes down in red. But things are always turning around at, you know, out of nowhere. So, you know, when I see this, I'm not too worried. I rather see it as an opportunity sometimes, especially if the higher level trend is still up and if we're deep in support. Even better, the lower we come into support, the better from a reward to risk point of view. And I did draw this channel here. Yeah, we talked in the channel membership live stream last Sunday about the channeling technique. So always worth to make a few attempts here with channels based on the channeling technique for Elliott Wave to see where it could bottom. Had one possibility here, which actually touched perfectly the channel. And another possibility down here. So we'll see which one eventually will work out, if they work out at all. Of course, there's never a guarantee. Would I still enter now? I don't know, probably not. I did enter down here. I actually picked the low at 1645, which is amazing. Channel members saw it coming because I mentioned the possible channel support and the confluence around 1648. But again, it might still break down. Who knows, you know? Who knows? It's not a game of certainty we're playing here. But I wanted in this video just to highlight again just the wave count here. I've made one little change up there for the wave count compared to the previous video. So we still have the move. Up from Monday, obviously, yeah. Because I sometimes get the question, when do you buy, when do you sell? So I don't normally announce it here in these videos. I do keep that as a channel membership perk, not necessarily because I want them to copy my trades. I actually emphasize don't copy my trades because, you know, everybody's in a unique situation, and if I trade something, I just sometimes do it out of the blue. It might have quite complex thoughts around this, and I cannot always explain it as well. For example, on Discord and Telegram, and some people have a completely different portfolio than I have, so it doesn't necessarily work for everybody, but I do post them for learnings and so on. And of course, also I make mistakes, but what I wanted to emphasize, bought down here, because people asked today, highlighted that as well to channel members. I took profits around, I don't know, 1620. I might be wrong. I think 1620 I took yesterday. I took some profits, 20%. And then today at 1720, another 20%. So I still have 60% open of that position I entered here. Extremely pleased with that. I won't tell you where my stop loss is. That's part of the channel membership. Yeah, please understand that there need to be some additional benefits for channel members. Okay, so anyway, I just entered here at 1645. And I'm waiting now if we could end this correction. Okay, so the change I made, yeah, in the previous video I said this could have been the way follow. Yeah, possible. I did change it now because Bitcoin didn't even reach the support area back then. So I consider this at the moment as a beautiful B wave top, actually. A wave, B wave overshooting B wave, and C wave down. Actually, let's see how much that actually did overshoot. Yeah, 1.38 retracement is actually perfect for an overshooting B wave. And now we are coming down, and the way this looks like, it's failing to rally impulsively, but we'll see. But it's coming down now, and it could be a C wave. So possibility here, this was a 1, this was a 2, maybe even here. Yeah. And then the question is, you know, is this a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in 3? Okay, fits, nice. Is this a 4? Yes, and this might be a 5, but that 5 might get one more leg down, so that's where you're not entirely sure. Okay, and then ideally it will somewhere in this support area turn around and rally in that 5th wave. This 5th wave should, however, only finish off a higher degree third. There should be another fourth, so another shallow retracement, and then a fifth, and that should ideally take us above 1800, and so on. So from that point of view, not really any major change to the previous video, just a little bit of, you know, how do we construct it up there with the 3s and 4s. So, you know, 1 second, maybe one addition to that. What of course I don't know is if this was really an overshooting B wave. Yeah, that's one possibility. The count from the previous video was not invalid, which was that the wave 4 was here, the wave 5 was here, the wave 3 was here, the yellow one, and this is now wave 4. But the point is, because we're coming down so impulsively, I think it fits better that this is actually a C wave within white wave 4. Okay, so that's sort of what I'm observing at the moment, and as long as we're holding the key support area here in green at 1620, 1619, yeah, don't be too fussed about $1 or $2. If that breaks, however, then it increases the likelihood. It's not a guarantee, but increases the likelihood that this is going to break down, and that this entire pattern is going to fail. Okay, so that's my update here at the moment about Ethereum. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.